Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is a fan acquisition rather than a vacuum acquisition, but I am collecting both just as quickly. What you're seeing is a Dayton Model 4C410 box fan. Behind it is a 4C418. The metal bladed version from the mid-90s with the rounded cabinet. This is the square cabinet, rounded blade, plastic blade variant. I'm guessing this is 80s. Probably early mid-80s, I think, is when they had these. Here's the blade set. Its backside, this is an as-found condition. I have not had the time to go through and clean it up. Here's the motor. Definitely needs some oil, definitely needs some TLC, but I paid $15 for this fan, so without further ado, this is worn off, but it water off a duck's back at this point. Here's high. Here's medium. Here's low. As you can see, it runs a little faster than what the camera makes you think, but it definitely needs oil. I'll get to that later. And here's off. Spin down's definitely a little fast, even for a plastic blade. So yeah, I paid $15 for this. I don't think I overpaid, because these Daytons are kind of rarer variants of these fans now, because the Dayton variants, they end up in shops, schools, government facilities, because they're bought from a catalog instead of a big box store, and they get the piss beaten out of them, and very few of them survive to see the private ownership. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.